Hazrat Qasim bin Muhammad narrates that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, "Ouch, my head is splitting." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Would that it had happened during my lifetime, so that I would invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu for your forgiveness and make supplication for you." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha submitted, "Alas, what a trial by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu should I think you wish my death, and if it happens, you will spend the other day with your some other wife." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "Rather my head is splitting, so I decided or intended to send for Abu Bakr and his son and take pledge from them as my successor. Otherwise, those who want to say will say what they wish, and those who crave will crave." I then said, "There is no need of it, for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will not let it be otherwise, and the Muslims will remove the opposition, or Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will remove the opponent, and the Muslims will not accept anybody else him." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 5666.